guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at 2020's question 14 paper 1 from the QCAA syllabus, short response question. So as you notice with all the videos, I've started splitting them up into individual questions on the channel. However, the full exam video is still up on YouTube. This is to give you a bit more variety in terms of like what you need help with. So for example, if you need help with the entire exam, you can go watch the full exam, or you can watch the individual videos. That way I can go also into a bit more depth on each question if it requires. And if you only struggle with a couple questions, you can go watch those videos on the channel. If you need a Math Methods External Exam Bundle Pack, the link is in the description below. There is a discount code that takes 50% off its price, okay? And it'll only work for a couple users, and it's only from this video. So if you're one of the first people watching this video, go use the code before it expires, okay? But otherwise, I will get straight into this question. So question 14 is one of the easiest questions on this exam, okay? So determine the area of the triangle shown, okay? So if you have a triangle set up like this, where you know that side, and you know that side, and you know that angle C, the area of a triangle is a half AB sine of C, where A and B represent these two side lengths coinciding with this angle here, okay? Now in this situation, we actually have that exact setup. We have the A, we have the B, and we have the angle C, which is 30 degrees here, okay? However, this is non-calc, so we need to work this out without a calculator. So we will just chuck in the stuff realistically here. So area is a half times by 3 times by 6 sine of 30 degrees. Now to work out sine of 30 degrees, you need to know your special triangles. So there's two types of triangles you would need, okay? Now for this one here, you're only going to need one of them, but I'll write both just in case it does pop up with a similar question. So there is your 60, 30 degree triangle, that's a right angle, where this is root 3, that's 1 and that's 2. And then there's also your 45 degree triangle, where that's 1, 1 and that's root 2. So if this happens to you here, what we've got to do is work out what sine of 30 degrees is. So you go to 30 and you just think, alright, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So that is your opposite, that is your hypotenuse. Therefore, sine of 30 degrees is equal to 1/2. So here we just replace that in our working. So area is a half times 3 times 6 times a half. Here, 3 times 6 is 18. So we have 18 times by, and then a half times a half is a quarter. So what we're left with here is 18 over 4. And then obviously we try and simplify that because they have a highest common multiple of 2 in this case here, because 2 times 9 gives you 18 and 2 times 2 gives you 4. So you can write that as 9 over 2. So that would be your answer. Area of this triangle is 9 over 2. And you probably have to put units squared because it is area, okay? But anyway, if you have any questions about this one here, leave something in the comments. If you want the external exam bundle pack, again, check out the description below. The QR code will only, not the QR code, the discount code will only work from this video here. Copy and paste it at checkout, but otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.